This week's episode is featuring OmniPro, energized by NanoYield's nano liquid technology. OmniPro can be added to any spray mixture to enhance plant uptake of organic crop protection products. Visit stbiologicals.com to learn more about this and other regenerative ag products. Hello and welcome to the ST Biologicals Soil Speaks podcast. This week, we're talking about crop residue management for healthier soil and better yields. Let's get started. You can unlock the power of nature with biological products for stubble degradation and soil enrichment. Crop residue management that incorporates biologicals uses less tillage passes while increasing the rate of nutrient release into the soil. Biological products play a crucial role in replenishing the macronutrients and micronutrients that contribute to more resilient crops and increased profits. These products harness soil organisms to break down stubble, thus enhancing soil fertility and boosting plant vigor. Biological products are emerging as powerful allies in farming, particularly in the realm of stubble degradation. They contain a broad spectrum of microbes that work symbiotically with indigenous microbes to decompose unwanted remnants of prior crops. Agricultural soils have low levels of beneficial decomposing microorganisms. Adding biological products increases the rate of crop residue or stubble degradation. There is a fine line between complete stubble degradation and stubble on the field to protect the soil from biotic and abiotic stresses. Leaving stubble in the field, or stubble mulching, is beneficial. However, the residue on the ground immobilizes nutrients that could be used by your winter cover crops or winter wheat, especially nitrogen. The goal with biological products is to increase the rate of stubble degradation while maintaining a cover on the soil to suppress weeds and protect from erosion in the force of raindrops. Stubble can also create difficulties when seeding your next crop. It's important to have the correct farming equipment. Coulter blades and discs are often all it takes to cut through last year's stubble, especially after a winter of rain, snow, and thaw. Biological products are part of a farmer or rancher's toolkit and should be considered just as important as farm equipment. In the context of crop residue management, biological products can be microbes, humic acids, or enzymes. All three work in unison to decrease stubble mass and increase soil quality. Humic acids are organic molecules that play essential roles in improving soil properties, plant growth, and increasing microbial populations. Humic acids are 60% carbon, the primary food of microbes. Enzymes are proteins that create biochemical reactions. They help degrade complex molecules such as cellulose, lignin, and starch, all components of crop residue. Microbes create enzymes, and scientists measure soil enzymes to determine which microbial species are in the soil. Enzymes are microbial specific. Microbes are living organisms such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes. Yes, there are beneficial nematodes. They digest organic matter and release nutrients into the soil. The increased rate of stubble degradation from biologicals has several added beneficial effects. 1. Biologicals reduce the risk of pests and disease that thrive on crop residues, such as corn rootworm, fusarium, white mold, and tobacco mosaic. Synthetics reduce these pests and diseases, but they also reduce the beneficial microorganisms. 2. Biologicals enhance the performance of cover crops, adding benefits such as erosion control, weed suppression, and nitrogen fixation. 3. They also enhance seed germination and emergence by creating a hospitable seedbed and reducing the amount of physical biomass the new seedling has to push through. 4. Biologicals lower the need for synthetic inputs and decrease the dependency of soil on fertilizers and pesticides. The greater the biodiversity in your soil, the less available real estate for pathogens. Rhizobacteria, found in the plant root zone or rhizosphere, aid legumes in fixing nitrogen. Protists, such as protozoa, keep bacterial populations under control. Nature does a lot of the work for you if you stand back and wait. Yes, your field will be messy, but when winter snowstorms and wind come onto the high plains and the Midwest, your fields will hold the snow. Whiteout conditions and drifts occur when there isn't any vegetation as soil cover to hold the snow. In the spring, when you're ready to plant, those shaggy cover crops will be broken down and ready to plant into. At ST Biologicals, we're passionate about helping farmers succeed while improving soil health. To learn more about stubble degradation, visit stbiologicals.com. When soil speaks, we listen. Thank you for listening. We'll catch you on the next one.